The Center for Veteran Transition and Integration hosted a roundtable focused on listening to community colleges to learn more about shared practices, emerging phenomena, and varying challenges around building integrative cultures of veteran and military-connected student support. 7 participants from 5 community colleges across the country participated in this generative discussion and workshop. The experience, perspective, and expertise shared was helpful for us as we continue to strengthen our capacity-building work with community college administrators, faculty, and staff.
So tell us a little bit about your day here at Columbia University and the work that you did with CVTI.
Yeah, so we were very excited to be invited to this convening and this roundtable discussion. We don't get a lot of opportunity necessarily in our day-to-day to connect with other community colleges.
To get this amount of community college veterans folks in the room was actually really special, especially because we're scattered across the country, right? And we're all seeing the same things on our campuses, or at least very similar things.
Things I'm taking away is that there's even more resources than I was originally aware of. And not even just knowing of the resources, but seeing ways that other colleges are implementing them.
It was a really great opportunity for collaboration for colleges and universities across the country, really delving deep into the ideas and concepts, what people are doing, but more than that, how we can really improve.
We can kind of link hands and say, hey, what we're doing at the end of the day is what's best for our students, and we're able to share ideas and share practices and share resources. We're able to improve the experience for our student veterans, and ultimately that's what we want to be doing.
To leave knowing that now I have a network of people just like me across the country that I hadn't had before, and I think that's something that CVTI can offer more people, so I hope I do this again.
These initial colleges continue to be invaluable partners that can help force multiply our work and eventually grow a network of community colleges seeking to strengthen their own individual infrastructure and regional systems. If you are aspiring to strengthen your veteran and military-connected student support, we want to hear your story, what works for you, and the constraints you're up against, so we can work together to meet the challenges head-on. Please reach out to us.